One of the many advantages of the platform is that it can display historical data not only about the markets but also about your own trading. This way you get useful insight into the markets you have been interested in and what your performance has been. When you close a position, it disappears from the positions window, but you can always find it again along with all your past positions in any instrument in the positions history last orders window. You can open that window from its icon in the trading toolbar, or you can simply right-click on the instrument in which you're interested and then select Position History Last Orders. In the Positions History tab, you can view all executed orders that form a net position in the chosen instrument. You'll also see details such as quantity of each order, execution price, profit loss, and more. To see the position history of a different trading instrument, use the drop-down at the window's upper left corner. The history of your positions is displayed in pages, with the most recently opened position being in the first page, the next one in the second, and so on. Every time a new net position is opened, a new page is created. Please note that if you reverse the direction of the position, for example from long to short, you're actually closing your long position and opening a short one, and so you will have a new page in your position's history. Use the horizontal arrows next to the Change View buttons to browse through the pages and view each of the positions individually. The total profit loss from all open and closed positions in the chosen instrument can be seen at the right-hand side of the tab. The Change View button opens the PL chart of the last position in the selected instrument. The interface is the same as the instrument's chart. You can set different time intervals, line, candle or bar styles, and also apply different technical indicators. The second tab in the window is Last Orders, in which you can view the last 1,000 orders placed in any instrument you have traded. As in the Positions History tab, the information here is pretty extensive and features order type, direction, quantity, whether it's an entry or a closing order, execution price, profit loss, and more. As you can see, this information is similar to the Positions History tab, but is presented in a different way. Used together, the two tabs help you develop a more comprehensive outlook on how you have traded a certain instrument and what the results were from each of your trades.